Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to do a demonstration of the OTOFIX D1 diagnostic platform and tablet package. We're in a Countryman, a Mini Countryman right now, and we have an airbag light showing on the dashboard. So I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video, and that link will take you to the genuine and official product. Unfortunately, fakes and clones do exist, and it's really not worth getting your hands on, so make sure you use the links below and that will take you to the genuine product. We're in a Mini Countryman, but really the process I'm going to show you is the same for any vehicle that this particular tool covers. Now it's a wireless tool, so we do have like a dongle plugged into the diagnostic port, which is just down here, and it's like a Bluetooth connection between the two. So we're going to click on to diagnostics. That's one of the things I love about this tool. You know, you can see that it's just a handheld, sort of really slimline tablet actually. We're going to find our manufacturer, so if we go to European, it's probably easier, and we'll just select Mini. And this whole process really should be really quite easy. So automatically select the vehicle, read the VIN code, and it should come back with the vehicle information. There we go, OK. And now it's found the vehicle, let's click yes. And then it's going to open up a whole load of new menus to allow us to start diagnosing faults within this specific vehicle. So it just takes a few seconds for it to establish connections with all of the systems, so it's basically to show us what it's capable of connecting with. Okay, so we can go to diagnosis, control unit, and I want to try and select the airbag system, which I believe is in the body section. Yep, ACSM Airbag Advanced Crash Safety Module. So if I click onto that, it should allow us to read fault codes. And it's giving us two fault codes here, 93097C and 9309C4. Both of them relate to the driver's side airbag. So we've got driver's side airbag resistance too high, driver's seat belt buckle contact circuit open. So that's basically the faults that we were getting. We found there was a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which we put back together now. But obviously that alone will not reset the airbag light. You do need to actually erase the trouble codes with this particular kit. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to click on to escape just to go back, and then we go to erase codes. When I click erase codes, just keep an eye on this airbag light here. Erase codes, click yes, and there we go. The airbag light has gone, and we've got codes have been successfully erased. Return to the function menu and tap read codes to verify. So click OK to that. You can go back in if you want, and it's now telling us no codes detected. So the tool has successfully erased all the trouble codes. It has successfully erased the airbag warning light, which is a really good sign, and the car now has a really good bill of health. But this tool, it does cover a whole load of manufacturers and systems within those manufacturers as well. But if we click on all, we need to scroll. That's what we need to do. So it just gives you a really quick idea of what the tool can cover. But that's the tool, as I say. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones, but it's not worth getting into. Please use the links in the description if you want to get the genuine tool. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.